Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages. Actually, sometimes we delete our WhatsApp apps or sometimes we delete our WhatsApp conversation accidentally, right? And in later we get lots of problem because we don't know how to recover the deleted WhatsApp messages. So in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest process for recovering your deleted WhatsApp message. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So first of all, let me show you something, that I have got lots of WhatsApp messages in here, right? So let me delete some messages from here. And after selecting these kinds of messages, there you can see the delete icon. So just click on the delete icon. And guys, one more thing, if you delete your WhatsApp message for the first time, that time I will recommend you just back up your WhatsApp message, because if somehow it doesn't work, that time you will be in trouble. So just go to the three dot line in here and then go to the settings, then go to the chat, then go to the chat backup, and make sure you back up your WhatsApp messages, because if somehow this process doesn't work, that time you will be in trouble. So let's delete some WhatsApp messages first, and there you can see the delete icon. So just delete media in this chat, just select it, and there you can see I have deleted some messages. And let me delete the whole WhatsApp application, and there is no WhatsApp application right now available. So let me download the WhatsApp application again from the Play Store, and guys, it will 100% work, trust me. WhatsApp apps, and I will show you in front of you. So just let me install the WhatsApp Messenger and wait please. So after installing the WhatsApp Messenger, again just you'll have to do something on your phone. Just go to your file manager. So I am using the MI phone, so there you can see I have got the file manager, but in other phone maybe you will get the my files and lots of other option. So just go to your file manager or my files option. So let me tap on it, and you will have to go to your internal storage. I mean, if you have SD card or memory card, that time just choose your internal storage, don't go your SD card, okay? Just go your internal storage. So this is my internal storage, and there you can see I have got the folder which is WhatsApp. So just click on it, and after that there you can see the database option. So just click on it, and there you can see lots of database already stored in here. So let me do something, that let me rename it. So in first position you can see message store.db crypt 12. So let me select it, and after that there you can see the more option. So then click on the rename option, and after that you can give here another name, backup, and after that select on it, and another which is also message store db. You can do just one thing, I mean one name, okay? You don't need to do lots of things, just I'm doing it, you can also do it. So after that just click on the OK option. So after doing these two things or one things from your file manager, just go to your WhatsApp again, and make sure just click on the agree and continue option, and then give your WhatsApp number here. So let me give it, and after that click on the next option, and then click on the OK, and it will send one kind of OTP to your phone. So just give that OTP in here, but right now I'm giving myself call because my SMS doesn't work right now. So let me call me. So I got this kind of OTP from my call. So let me give it and wait for a few seconds. And then this is very important, you will get this kind of interface. So just click on the continue option, and then click on the allow option for 2 times. and there you can see the restore option. Okay, so just click on the restore option and wait for a few seconds again, and then click on the next option, then click on the restore now and just give your name in here, and then click on the next option and wait again. And there you can see I have got back my all kinds of WhatsApp messages which I deleted in front of you. So by this process you can recover your deleted WhatsApp message. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like and do subscribe.